Camping is a demanding adventure for men. And as we are living in an age of modern convenient life, we also require a certain level of convenience in our camping trips. Because without convenience and comfortability, you can hardly enjoy your trips to the harsh nature. Today, we are going to introduce you 10 best camping gadgets that you should consider buying to take them with your next trip. Ordinary hammocks are pretty useless if there are no trees around. Meet Hammock, a completely freestanding hammock which allows you to hammock absolutely anywhere. The hammock comes with a frame where it resides, and you can use this frame with or without the tent. The frame is easy to set up and takes only a few minutes to set up completely. It has double zip openings and lets you twice the view. The hammock also has a waterproof rain fly and that provides comfortable shelter in unpredictable weather. With additional storage pockets, it lets you keep items within your reach. The hammock also comes with a nice carry bag for your convenience in carrying the hammock. You can get the hammock by pledging to its Kickstarter campaign. GSI Outdoor Vortex Blender is a portable party mixer and handcraft blender. The blender is a battery and cord-free blender that is made of plastic, metal, and stainless steel. This is a perfect blender for outdoor camping as it doesn't require any energy. The blender has powerful 2-speed gear system that can be hand-cracked to crush ice or blend drinks. With its stainless steel base, the blender weighs a little over 4 pounds and the perfect gadget to go with your camping trips. The GSI Outdoor Vortex Blender is available on Amazon at only $95. Timber Ridge XL Padded Zero Gravity Chair has very strong and sturdy construction. It supports up to 350 pounds with sturdy steel tube frame and durable polyester fabric. Its curved ergonomic design provides zero gravity experience at full reclining. It has removable padded pillow for headrest and lumbar support. It also has wooden armrest and a large cup holder that can be attached onto the right side of the chair. Once you have it adjusted in the position you want, there are 2 small clamps on the sides that you just turn so the position locks into place. It just slides on and locks into place and can be removed if you don't want it attached. The way it's designed and your body lays on it doesn't make your body ache. The chair is perfect for your outdoor visits and your lazy afternoons. They are available on Amazon at only $129. BioLite headlamp is a redesign of a classic outdoor wearable with comfort and convenience in mind. Its ultra-thin, slim-fit 3D molded housing sits flat and perfect on your forehead. Its high-quality moisture-wicking band keeps your forehead comfortable and dry during activity. It has 330 lumens of output that can illuminate your way brightly. The front panel is adjustable, giving you the opportunity to adjust the light to perfectly illuminate your way. The headlamp also has dimmability, meaning you only use the lumens that you need. Recharging is very easy as it charges via micro USB. The BioLite headlamp is really cool and a very useful gadget to your camping trips into the woods, and it is available on Amazon at $50 only. Versatility is a great friend to any adventurer. But there is very little to no versatility has been added to water bottles in the last couple of decades. Introducing Model, the most versatile utility bottle you have ever seen. This bottle is made of strong, durable silicone, so it is also very flexible. Due its silicone builds, the model is also collapsible, and they are very easy to clean since it has two-way opening. You can also detach and strap model to anything and everything. Model is world's first utility bottle that offers a series of interchangeable caps called mods. There are mods to purify water from any clear water source. Take a hot shower in the nature and the capability to drink hands-free whenever you are on the go. Model is currently running their crowdfunding campaign on Kickstarter, and you can get Model by pledging to their campaign. Easy Up Camping Cube transforms your shelter into an entirely new space that can easily accommodate up to 6 people. The Camping Cube is a spacious and easy to set up camping accessory product for you, your family, and next fun trip. It is compatible with Easy Up shelters, and setting up the cube is really easy. The Camping Cube has heavy-duty clips, hook, loop closers, and S-hooks to connect with the metal frame of your shelter. It weighs only 14 pounds and can easily go to anywhere with you in your camping trip. The Camping Cube also offers excellent airflow with its large screened windows and oversized screened door that works together with a vented roof to maximize airflow. For a complete night's rest and safe from elements in your camping trips, the Easy Up Camping Cube is a must, and it is available on Amazon at $169. iFreezer Go 20 is a true dual-zone portable cooler and freezer with incredible performance and astonishing design. It is simple to use, energy efficient, and provides reliable refrigeration and freezing to keep your food and drinks cold and refreshing. It is the perfect companion for road trips, camping, and outdoor adventures. With the independent dual-zone design, iFreezer Go 20 offers 2 independently controlled zones to ensure extended preservation of your fresh foods and beverages. It's a fridge, a freezer, or both at the same time with precise temperature control. iFreezer Go 20 weighs just 10.8 kg, and with comfortable built-in handles, it is easy to load and stores easily in any sized vehicle. The iFreezer Go 20 can run from the car adapter, and when you stop for an extended period, you can continue to keep cool. iFreezer Go 20, equipped with an energy-efficient interior LED light, perfect for camping and overnight activities. You can support their campaign on Indiegogo. GoSun Chill Solar Cooler is an amazing cooler that can store your foods and drinks without the need of any ice. Ordinary coolers work by preventing the ice from melting, which is very inefficient. While the GoSun Chill Cooler works with brushless compressor technology along with solar and lithium energy storage. With these technologies, the GoSun Chill can run off-grid and keep your drinks cold and your foods fresh. You can also control the temperature to store frozen foods. The battery of the fridge is also detachable, has an LED light, 3 USB ports to charge other electronic devices, and a 15 amp car adapter to run accessories. The GoSun Chill Cooler has optional GoSun retractable solar panel and solar cable that charges the battery infinitely and give you a true off-grid freezer. The project is right now running their campaign on Indiegogo, and you can easily be part of their efforts by backing them up. Go Portable is an all-in-one charging smart speaker table. It is very portable that it only takes space of a beach chair and comes with a carry bag to carry it around conveniently. This portable smart table offers a great lot of functionality and a perfect gadget for your outing and hangouts with friends. The table has USB-A ports and 100-watt power bank that can charge your smartphones over 5 times. It also has a side drawer on right that is actually a Qi wireless charging station and can charge your Qi wireless charging enabled devices. On the left side drawer, there is a bottle stand and a can opener. The smart foldable table is also a powerful speaker that gives you incredible stereo sound and lets you enjoy your outing with your friends. There's also LED lights under the table so that you can enjoy your hangout even at night. The smart charging table and speaker is a project on Indiegogo, and you can support their campaign to bring the project alive. Meet the Haven, a combination of the ancient art of origami with modern-day engineering and designing to create foldable kayaks. The tandem kayak is a versatile kayak with unmatched performance and portability as it easily converts to a single-seater kayak with the switch of a few buckles. And the integrated reel systems lets you add a ton of accessories for fishing, photography, picnics, or whatever else floats your boat. The Haven uses origami to fold up into a box small enough for car trunks or closets. At 40 pounds, it's half the weight of a typical tandem kayak. Save your buck for some paddling. If you don't have a garage, tuck the Haven into your closet, under your bed, or anywhere else that suits you. The Haven kayak is made from a custom extruded polymer that is rated to 20,000 folds. The assembly of the kayak takes only 10 minutes.